In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly to schedule appointments, 5 minutes. First, open your browser and go to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In. Enter your email address, choose Continue, then type your password and continue again. Keep your credentials private and never share them in messages or on screen. After you sign in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. This is where your event types live. To make a new booking option, click Create, then choose the one-on-one event type. This format is perfect for a single guest meeting, like an intro call, a demo, or a quick check-in. Give your event a clear, friendly name so people know exactly what they're booking. For example, intro consultation or project review. Next, select the duration. Pick a length that fits your goal, 15 minutes for quick syncs, 30 minutes for standard chats, or 60 minutes for deep dives. Shorter options reduce no-shows and help keep your day moving. Choose where the meeting will happen. You can select Zoom, Google Meet, or a phone call. Pick the method you actually use every day. If you choose a video option, Calendly will handle the meeting link on confirmed bookings, which saves back and forth and avoids typos. Now set your availability. Decide which days and time windows you want to offer. Make sure the time zone shown matches yours. Consider leaving a little buffer between meetings and limiting how far in advance people can book. These small guardrails protect your focus and keep your calendar manageable. If your account has multiple teammates, select who will host the appointment so the correct calendar and time zone are used. For a solo account, just confirm yourself as the host. When everything looks good, click Create. Calendly builds a polished booking page for this event in seconds. Finally, copy the event link and share it wherever it's helpful. Paste it in an email, drop it in chat, add it to your email signature, or post it on your website. Anyone with the link can see your live availability and grab a time that works for both of you. Before sharing widely, open the link in a private window to see exactly what invitees will experience. If you ever need to tweak the name, duration, location, or availability, just edit the event and your link updates automatically. That's it. You went from logging in to a shareable scheduling link without a single back and forth email. Save this process for your next event type and enjoy faster, cleaner scheduling.